Welcome to the Jello Candle YouTube channel. Today, we will be exploring the basic of aroma candle making. In this episode, we will be showing you how to make your own aroma candles that will fill your room with delightful scents. Making your own candles can be a fun and rewarding experience, and is a great way to personalize your space and create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere. But that's not all here at Jello Candle. We specialize in making design candles. Our candles are not just functional, they are also beautiful works of art that will add a touch of elegance and style to any room in your home. But for this episode, we will be taking a step back and showing you how to make the basic candles. We will be covering everything you need to know, from selecting the right wax to choosing the perfect wick. And we will even show you some simple yet effective techniques to create a beautiful finished product. So whether you are a seasoned candle maker or completely new to candle craft, this episode is perfect for you. Thanks for tuning in, and let's get started with the basic of candle making. can also add some extra touches to your candle by experimenting with colors, textures, and even decorations. The possibilities are truly endless. So whether you are looking to create a relaxing atmosphere, adding some ambience to your home, or give a thoughtful and personalized gift, learning how to make your own aroma candles is a valuable skill that you will enjoy for years to come. And if you are interested in taking your candle making skills to the next level, be sure to check out our other videos where we focus on creating stunning design candles. Thank you for tuning into this introductory episode of the Jello Candle YouTube channel. We hope you have enjoyed learning the basics of aroma candle making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials and tips on candle making. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when we post new videos, so you can stay up to date on all the latest techniques and trends in the world of candle making. Thank you again for watching, and we will see you in the next video.